as promised, I'm going to make a video to show you how to do the Kepler's laws. This particular video is for Station 1, which is over there by the wordy wall, by the fish tanks. So what you'll need for this station, you'll need a blank sheet of paper, one of these pieces of cardboard, 2 push pins, do you see there? And what else do you need? Oh, you need some other stuff. A ruler, a string loop, which again is all by the station, and preferably colored pencils. If you don't want to use colored pencils, it's fine. That's okay. Just make sure you label your ellipse. So I'm going to change the camera. So you're going to start, if I can get this to stay, there we go. You're going to start with your paper on top of your cardboard. You need to take your pins and you are going to push them into the paper. You're going to want to be sort of in the middle so that when you draw your ellipse, it's all going to be on the page. Your first ellipse needs to have the push pins 2 centimeters apart. So I'm going to take my ruler, make sure you're using the centimeter side, not the inches. That would be wrong, LOL. And like so, voila. Alright, now you're going to take your string loop, holding the cardboard in your hand, not pressed against the desk or the table. You're going to take, I'm going to use this pen. You're going to take your string around the pins, thread your pen under, and form a triangle. Alright, your triangle should be taut, so the string is tight, and you're going to trace your ellipse. Now, sometimes the tip of the pen will get caught underneath the string and you have to readjust it. That's okay. Again, these might not be beautiful. This pen isn't going to work. I'm going to use a different one. I'll use this pencil instead. You will trace like such. Again, you see I'm keeping that string nice and taut, nice and tight, making that triangle shape. So this is your ellipse at 2 centimeters. Now you're going to move your push pins, aka the foci. You're going to move them. On the instruction sheets, it's supposed to say 2, 4, and 6, but we had a discovery that moving it to 9 actually gets you a very clear circle, or not a circle, excuse me, a very distinct ellipse. So if you can put your foci out to 9, that's okay. I'm not going to be able to do it with this one, but I'm going to put it here. I'll try it at 6. Alright. And again, nice and taut. You should see a difference in the shape that you create. Whee! Alright. So, once you have your ellipses drawn, you can answer the follow-up questions. Once you have those questions, you should work on the bar graph right here. Alright, so this is on page 1. Construct a bar graph using planet for your x-axis. You can't see that. And the eccentricity for y. Do not worry about the probability. Alright, for more videos, please look at my YouTube page if you need instructions for the other stations.